Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Do not mind me, I just woke up from a very deep sleep, so bear with me. I had to record this. Today we're going to be learning on how to do quick eyebrows without any concealer. Yeah, I know, right? This can be done in 2 minutes. If you're good at it, 1 minute. So let's get right into it. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need an eyebrow pencil. I prefer using a brown one because it's not harsh compared to the black one. You're going to need a, what do you call it? What do they call it? Edge control. Yeah. Well, I prefer using this one. You can get another one specifically for makeup. I use this olive oil. This olive oil edge control does wonders. The reason we're using the olive oil edge control or a gel is because we want our eyebrows to not contact any sweat. What am I saying? Am I right or am I right? Yes, I'm right. Okay, the reason we're using this as a base to make sure that, guys, I don't know, let me not lie to you, but it just works. You know, some things, they just work. Okay, let me not lie to you, it just works for me. Okay, when I use this, I'm more able to, it highlights the eyebrows more, and they just look amazing. Yeah. Okay, what's that? I'm using my hands today. Just gonna just gonna wrap it like that. Small. Okay, just okay. Yeah. Okay, and you're also gonna need this. You can use any pressed powder you can get or you have for your makeup. Any pressed powder, and remember, do not use a lot. Just a little. Just press it on the eyebrow. Oh, my neck is painful. Okay, just gonna do it like that. Remember, we said this can be done in two minutes, and if you're that good, give it a minute. So remember to sharpen your eyebrow pencil. It needs to be sharpened. See, it's very sharp. So let's start. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna start by drawing a line. Okay, just gonna start by drawing a line. See? And you're gonna go to the other side. Oh, sorry. Do the same. See? So now you're going to fill in. Depending on how your eyebrows look. Or I have, you can see my eyebrows. I don't want to explain any further. You can see my eyebrows. So let's do it. So I'm just going to fill in just like that. Okay, just fill it in and then draw some simple strokes. Yep, do the same thing here. Draw some strokes and then fill it in. There you go. Voila. There you go. Just like that. No concealer needed. This lasts you the whole day. Come on. I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any video suggestions that you'd like me to do, please let me know.